If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Thank you. The Duplex Hotspot in. Finally arrived. Only 3 weeks late. It comes with 2 antennas in a package. UHF ones, those are the VHF ones. It looks like some instruction manuals. We'll go get that hooked up. Get to the computer and do all the work. You can Google how to do that yourself, but let me get out of the package and show you a close-up. Since we're using the Duplex Hotspot in UHF mode, so I want duplex instead of simplex, we're going to put the small antennas on, leave the little bit longer ones here for VHF in the box. Kind of neat, they give you 4 antennas. Are they resonant? Hopefully so. What is a rubber ducky? It's nothing more than a radiating dummy load. Oh, after a couple hours on and off fighting with this damn thing, I got it to connect to the Wi-Fi. Whoops, doesn't want to focus, which it didn't want to do. Now I'm doing an update because once I got the Wi-Fi figured out, the OLED board stopped working. Oh my god, if this isn't one thing, it's another with this damn Pi Star. When all else fails, read instructions. Which I did not do. Which took me longer to figure it out by selection error and going back to the seller's website listing, and thank God he had the same information listed there, but then you gotta love this part. UHF bands in centimeters is 70. Anti-spam. What is the wavelength of the UHF band in centimeters? Is that a joke? Or just a lost in Chinese to English translation? Chinglish. Just saying closing, now it's starting up. But I can't get to make a connection with Brian Meister. This is really irritating. Okay, looks like I got this thing configured correctly. I have talk groups on time slot 1, others on time slot 2. I have a disconnect for time slot 1 and time slot 2. I'm on Oregon slot 1. I should have made it time slot, but anyways, S1 stands for slot 1. AA1PR, Oregon 1. You can see on the screen it went red, and then when it goes back to relax mode, listen mode, it goes back to the normal green and white. So looks like I finally got it working.
It's just west of Warsaw. It was 44 wind chill factor, and we had a funeral.
I'm listening to America's Link 31665, I believe it is.
I always thought to myself, now I know how they take it. Keep
Anytone 868.
Because
here's the dashboard for Pi Star. It's all different features up and down, left, right, top to bottom. You can see I'm disconnected from 3100 where I was. Pretty impressive, colorful, visual, well laid out. Let me show you the open spot for reference. Like the dashboard. Then you have connections, SMS, which I don't think really does anything. The modem, the settings, and then you can log out. Way down on the bottom somewhere, there's a little thing that says, there it is, expert mode, which gives you more features. So you can have lots of features or a little bit of features that you see. What is kind of neat about the Duplex Hotspot is if you have an Anytone, this is my 868, I have Oregon 1 in time slot 1, America's Link in time slot 2. No, I haven't keyed them up. I dropped the links, cleared the dashboard, gave the hotspot a reboot, But I could have time slot 1 and 2 active. Unfortunately, the radio is only going to listen to one at a time. It's not a true dual band receive. You can't listen to 2 time slots at once, but not if there is. I don't know how to do it. Maybe it's in that DMR setting. There's a setting in here. Dual spots, time slots, all that stuff. So, anyways, which is cool there is I can monitor 2 different talk groups, and we'll look at the dashboard and see which one's on which and what activity, who's keying up. But I also can see that on the screen because it shows me last heard and things like that. So, anyways, if you didn't have an Anytone, you had some other radio, didn't give you all the information on screen, dashboard would provide it for you. Or in case I want to be away from the computer and the dashboard, you can always see it on the radio. Kind of cool stuff. Gotta love this technology. Embrace it. If you look at the dashboard, you go into configuration setting, you can see an update. You can update that manually. I just updated mine. Only took maybe a matter of 2-3 minutes to do that. But they say that it will automatically update between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. based randomly on call signs, who goes first and last and whatever else. So anyways, you're not sure, just do it yourself. And mine's up to date. Latest firmware. Everything else, everything's good to go. Neat little device.